Good morning, guys. So today is December 22nd, and we're going to Jamaica today. My son and I, we're visiting home. He's in the shower right now, so I'm about to get up and get myself together. My flight is at 10:50. So yeah, when you see me next, I won't be looking so ratchet, and I should be at the airport or on my way to the airport. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Hashtag vlog. Oh, they're moving up. Alright. This line. Look at all this line. A bunch of people. I'm glad my mom, she said we have to come early. My mom was so... Huh? Okay, so I'm gonna introduce my son to the vlog, Jabari.
Hi.
He's no stranger.
Nope, you've seen me many times, many times.
He's been on here a few times.
Many times. Let's check out this. I like to show off, so let's go. Hey, Jabari on the back. Outfit of the day. Color changing shirt. Favorite shirt ever.
Mad annoying. How excited are you?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
How high the plane goes.
So he's super excited, and I'm also excited as well. Yeah, so we're just chilling in the airport now. We've been here since what, 7:30? 7:30. Yeah, so we'll be vlogging. Mega vlog on the whole place.
It's gonna be lit. We're gonna take W's. Speaking of W's, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Punch it in the face for me, alright?
Oh god, he's too much. So this is a new camera and I'm testing it out, so I hope it's better than
I like it very much.
what I'm used to using. I hope you guys like my hair as well. I might change it.
Y'all like my haircut? Ooh. Zoom in on that Z right there. That Z. Oh, there we go. Get back that Z. Ooh. Hey. I'm trying out some new swag. Oh,
yes, but
always on me. Let's go.
Are we gonna get something to eat?
Yeah. So
what do you want?
Let's go. Y'all gonna come on this journey with us. I want some. I don't even know what's in here, so I can't know what I want.
Okay, guys. So see you in a bit.
Peace. Hi, y'all. So we're getting some breakfast now. Mom, that's too far. We're getting some breakfast. This is my mom's. Let me see it, Mom. I'm the cameraman.
No, you're not.
I'm the best at... Guys, today's shot earlier, I did it. I'm the best at this. My mom doesn't know this vlog life. So here you guys go. It's a little thing of that. Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. Look at that gorgeousness. Oh, yeah. Got the tomatoes with the ketchup. That looks so good. Alright, my mom's gonna rate this on a 1 to 10. Alright, we'll get that knife. Yep. Proper dining etiquette. Alright, let's see. Alright, that's a deep chew. That's a very deep chew.
It's good.
It's good? So what do you rate it on 1 to 10?
9.
Alright, 9, that's good. Mine is coming up, and I think mine's gonna be way better than that. Let's get that trash. Get that trash out of here. Get that trash out of here, alright? So yeah, let's get that trash out of here. Oh, snap. Alright, so yeah, guys. Woo, how do you say that?
Stop.
How do you say that?
You cannot.
Alright, so I'm watching YouTube right now. They got these little nice little things. I like how they did it. They did it so nice for you. So like you can watch your little stuff. But my YouTube just went away. You got Tropica, whatever that is. You got these games popping up. I hate that. They keep just popping up back and forth randomly. It doesn't even say ad coming up. It just pops. See, just now. I don't wanna do this. I don't get that out of here. Get that out of here. I already got my food. Skip that and then go back there. And then in case you come to this place, you gotta go to internet, right? Internet. And a whole bunch of ads is gonna pop up, but just click out of them. Like I said in the beginning, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps us out very, very much, and it also helps you out because you become Posh doll or whatever you call them, Mom.
Yes, you're right, boy.
Yeah. Comment down below if you like the shirt. Personally, I love the shirt. I'm skipping that. I gotta go back to YouTube. Gotta go back to YouTube. Gotta go back to YouTube. And yeah. Every time I type in YouTube, Hulu pops up. So I gotta type in YouTube video, and then it will come.
This is a special announcement.
My
For
food
security
isn't
reasons,
coming.
please keep your
So I'm
luggage
gonna kind of
and all
pause it here.
packages
Should I pause it
muted
here?
on.
Exactly like a jailbreak.
So this is what Jabari's having. What did you order, Jabari?
I ordered this, but I ain't ordered all of this. Well, now my burger tastes
You
like
need to like the
vegetables.
vegetables. It's good for you.
My burger tastes like vegetables.
Okay, get a bite.
Sick drift. There you are.
It's bigger than you. I'm almost through with mine. And Jabari's watching YouTube as usual.
2 minutes,
So we're boarding right now. Mom's bed there. Fresh kicks. So
Check, yours is checked. Is there a tag on that? No. There's no space left. We're checking all bags and wheels. All bags and wheels are being checked. Is this one checked?
get that.
What's yours?
No.
Mine is checked. Holy cow.
Cool camera.
Thank you very much. I'm not gonna lie, pretty scared because the takeoff is always scary for me. I can't remember any flights from when I was a kid, but my beautiful mommy is right over there. Queen. The queen. Oh, gotta keep it steady. Alright, gotta keep it steady, guys. Gotta keep it steady. Official vlog. Official vlog. Yep. I think we're boarding right now. If we get on, take off. Has to be the scariest part for me.
Flights will automatically push your right in a water level. Forward your slice and service extra boost.
So,
Unless the highest flight
I think we're gonna take off.
4 line located.
There's this guy out there. He's very brave. Because if the plane hits him, that's not going to be his job anymore. See the guy in the yellow thing? Yeah, right there. Happening on the TV. Nothing whatsoever. I'm pressing. Nothing. So the TV doesn't care how much effort I put in. Really? That's how you do it? Yeah, that's so this plane is taking so long. Why can't you just fly up in the sky already? Like now they're showing us some boring advertisements. Oh, the TV's working now. It was just bruh. I'ma just have you ever seen anything more beautiful? Swimming a lot. I bought like 3 swimming trunks. Yep. I brought so many sweatpants. Why did I? As soon as I'm above Jamaica, I already feel the heat. I have to change when I land because